clock, TV hour, don't get caught in foreign tower, slash and burn, return, listen to yourself churn. Locking in, uniform and book, burning blood, letting every motive escalate. Automotive incinerate, light a candle, light a motor, step down, watching heel, crush, oh, this means no fear, cavalier, renegade, steer clear, a tournament of lies. Offer me solutions, offer me alternatives, and I decline. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel fine. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel fine. The other night I drifted nice, continental drift divide, mountain sit in a line, Leonard Bernstein, Leonard Brezhnev, Lenny Bruce and Lester Banks, birthday party, cheesecake, jelly bean, boom, you symbiotic, patriotic, slam button, nap, right? Right. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel fine. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine.
What's good? What's good? We are back here for another day of action. The market up, down, all around. What do we got today? What do we got today, chat? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look. The Nasdaq on the daily chart right now. We got yesterday's low down there. Yesterday's low down there. We got some action. Big move yesterday. Absolutely big move. Will we get to continue move to the downside here? We've had one big red day. We had a big wick there yesterday. I was kind of looking back at the chart, trying to figure out like how often do we have like a big wick on the chart on the daily candle, and then we go lower the next day. Like how often does that happen? I'm trying to see. Like it doesn't. To be honest, like big wick, kind of no, didn't go. No, big wick. See, like I'm just not like I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Are we gonna get something new never happened before? Yeah, like I don't know. Where's that big wicks? Just not really there. What do y'all think? Will we go lower today? Are we going to take out that 23,000 area? Is it a go long all day or is it a go short all day type of thing? $1 million question, right? It's $1 million question. I don't know the answer, to be honest. I really don't. I don't know the answer. So, well, we're going to have to just be patient, wait for the right setups, make a little bit of money, get in, get out, and just kind of do what we always do, right? Do what we always do. Jackson Hole going on. Everybody's in Jackson Hole right now. They got people in Jackson. They're inside of Jackson's hole. What? What do you mean Jackson's? Yeah, Jackson's actual hole, bro. All right, we got yesterday's close there as well. 23,320 area. What a move yesterday from the lows. Ripped all the way back up. If you were watching the live stream, we were looking for those longs down there at the bottom. I took the long from the 66s It went all the way back up there to the 366s. I got 200 points on a runner, but fuck, that was 300 points. You know, maybe I could have held a little longer. Maybe not. Well, either way, I'm happy with it. I'll take it. A little bit of money, make a little bit of money, make a little bit of money, be a little bit happy. So, you can see yesterday we were trading there. What was that? Like, what time was that low at? The low down there yesterday around 11 o'clock. So if you were not watching yesterday at 11 o'clock, absolutely crushed that. From the 66s all the way back up there to the 266s. I did get filled on that last and final. If you look at the chart right here, what do we got? Right. So, well, we had a 50% of the opening range, the ding, number 5 getting tagged. And we got down there close to that 23,000 level. The short squeeze started, and we squeezed it back up. End of day, kind of just squeezed back up there into the 15-minute opening range. So today, we're already kind of drifting to the downside here. So I'm interested. Okay, what do we got level-wise? We got this 190 area. We got the 150 area. I don't know. It's like I said, it's kind of like a tricky thing. You would think that daily candle, this wick on the bottom of that candle would act as some support, but I guess, you know, it doesn't always do what you want it to do. I'm just trying to see like other daily candles where we had that. See, like here we had this daily candle when the next day we open and then we kind of push back up. Whereas right now we opened and we're kind of pushing back into this wick from yesterday. I would really like to think that this big wick yesterday will turn into some support here. Like if I want to envision where the market's going to be end of day, I would envision the market like up in here, right? That's what I would envision. So I don't know. Either way, we'll have to just sit back here, be patient, wait for our setups. Another good day to kind of just relax, be patient. There's always more money to be made. We just got to be patient and wait for the right setups here. We had a big move up, 8:30 this morning. The numbers came out, market came right back down. We took out the lows already, and we're just kind of drifting on down here, drifting on down. Will we, like, how much can we pull back here? We're opening up at the lows, obviously the Asian lows. The London high right now, kind of a triple top. Market could not get through there overnight. Stuck. Yesterday's high, or not high, but end of day kind of pushed back up. That structure there acting as resistance overnight. The market not being able to move back up there. So what happens next? What happens next, chat? I don't know. But I tell you one thing. I told you yesterday, I was like, I'm going to go to dinner tonight. I went to dinner with some of the My Funded Futures guys, the guys that run My Funded Futures. I got my Tomahawk, $600 Tomahawk. Yeah. The funny part is I ordered everything I didn't order everything, but I ordered everything at dinner. I was like, don't you guys worry. I'm going to order tonight. So I got that, I think it was a 60-ounce Wagyu Australian Tomahawk. Let's go, baby. If my dinner don't look like that, I don't want it. You know what I mean? I don't want it. I'm going to pass. I want that good dinner. You know what I mean? Do you think it's going to be choppy? You know, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Took that bear flag, done for the day. Oh, you crazy boy. Pat, can you rip a full port today? Oh, fuck yeah, I can. Don't you worry. Full port coming up. Any good deal made? You know, well, I told the guys at My Funded Futures, I'm like, look, you know, I'm not a whore. right? I won't just do anything for money. But if we're, you know, if we really want to talk, you know, I might do something for the right amount of money. You know what I mean? If I get the right amount of money, I might do something crazy. You know, you never know. You never. I mean, I might. You know, I might. You know. It just depends who knows about it. You know. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yesterday you got 200 points, so now you got to get 300 points. Oh. What do I look like? Warren Buffett? What do I look like? Warren fucking Buffett? What do you guys think? What do I look like? I'm Warren Buffett over here? You guys want me? Oh, okay. Hey, everybody, 300 points coming up. Oh, okay. Whatever you say. 300 points. Shit. Y'all crazy. 300, said 300 points. On what you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Where the fuck, I need some like good music. Ooh, I think this might be it.
Round 2 tonight.
Oh shit. My Fun and Futures there. Look at that. I told you My Fun and Futures, I told you I won't just do anything for money. But for $100, I will do something. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at that. Look at it. Man, I'm excited for tonight. My Fun and Futures, they got a little meetup. And they have an affiliate influencer meetup in Miami tonight. I don't know who's gonna be there. You never know. Like, I don't know. I might be in jail tomorrow. You know, I might get arrested tonight for getting crazy. I get drunk and get in a fight with some other affiliates. That might be bad. It could be. Or maybe not. We'll see. I have no idea who's even gonna be there. That's the question. I'm like, who's gonna be there tonight? You know, I'm like, who's gonna be there? I don't know. What other affiliates are in Florida that are My Fun and Futures affiliates? Other YouTubers. I don't know. I'm gonna give Matt L a big kiss on the lips. Just gonna walk up and give him a kiss on the lips, and then stare him in the eyes, and then just walk away. See what the reaction is. Like what? You know what I mean? Like, what are you gonna do? PW comes over and just kisses you on the lips, and then walks away. Like, what? You know, you're like, what? I don't know what to do now. I'm confused. I'm gonna psych them out, you know? Like, they're gonna be so confused. Tori Trade's gonna be there? I doubt it. She can't go to 2 meetings in 1 week, bro. Come on now. She can't go to 2 meetings in 1 week now. Mandy said, I will face reveal who I am before I spark you out, brew. Wait, so you are a guy, Mandy? I can't imagine you being very scary. You know what I mean? Like, you're a guy who pretends to be a woman. And now you're in the chat still talking. Like, how scary could you possibly be? You know what I mean? Like, let's be honest. You know, like, how actually scary could you be? You're a man pretending to be a woman on the internet, you know? Like, Mandy, hey, I hope I'm gonna punch you in the face, Mandy, when I see you. Man, woman, or child, I'm gonna just punch you in the face no matter what. I can't wait. I'm gonna punch you right in the fucking dick. I'm gonna drop to my knees and just boom! Right in the dick. You better be ready, Mandy. Hey, everybody, I wanna make it very clear. Yesterday, Mandy told everybody, do not short. Y'all remember that, right? Everybody remembers that. Let's remember that, chat. Mandy told everybody in the chat yesterday, do not short. Don't forget, Do not forget that Mandy told everybody don't short. You know, hey, you can't come back. You know what I mean? You can't come back to the stream the day after you told everyone not to short. You know, like, you can't do that. You can't do that, Mandy. It's not how it works around here. You idiot. Patrick, I told everybody yesterday, don't short, okay? I told them that. Buy the dip. Okay, bro. The problem is we don't know if Mandy's an it, if it's an it, or a they, or a them, or a he, or a she, or what other ones are there? Or it's? Which one is it? Hey, Mandy, like I said, you're a fucking loser, and we all know it. Good job, bro. Aw, Mandy. Mandy. Patrick Wieland 1, Mandy 0. Got him. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here now. 23,211s. Mandy was definitely a Randy. Ain't no girl on this planet typing the words brew. Bruh. Hey, bruh. I like when people pretend to be someone they're not, and then they speak, and then you're like, you know right away that they're not who they say they are. Ain't no real woman going, bruh. Bruh. I said it was a long, bruh. Ain't nobody like that, you know? All right, Nasdaq kind of holding up here at this 211, 212 area, a little pump back up. We had some news this morning, 8:30 news came out. Wasn't really anything out of the ordinary, just typical job stuff. We've got the Palantir. Palantir had $59 million worth of retail buying yesterday as they were selling off, which is pretty wild because when you see how much they sold off, they're buying. People are buying. I mean, I think this is a buy the dip opportunity long term. I'm loading up on Nvidia. I sold most of my Nvidia up in the 180s, and now I'm like, okay, time to start buying back. Anything below 170, I'm loading. I'll just keep buying. I'll sell my left nut, and I will keep buying Nvidia till it goes to 0. Okay. 9:45 and 10 p.m. news. Damn, the classic 007. You're waiting for the 10 p.m. news, bro. You gotta. I ain't got time to wait. I am not gonna be trading at 10 p.m. tonight. You know, I am not gonna be doing that. I am not gonna be doing that. Am I still holding Apple? Yes, still holding Apple. All right, we got the news here today. OnlyPlatforms.com. Find out the news every morning. Every morning, we got the news on OnlyPlatforms.com to find out what the latest and the greatest news is. We got the 945 S&P Global PMI flash numbers. We got the existing home sales. So, how long are you going to hold Apple? Forever. It's in my, retirement. It's in my retirement fund, so. Yeah, I'm long on Apple. I don't even, where am I long at? I bought Apple at 200. I bought Apple at 200 at 225. You own Meta? I do not own Meta. I know it sounds stupid, but I'm kind of just I'm a Nvidia maximist. What do you call that? Maximist? Maximist. When will you retire? Well, I turn 37 next week, so I think I'm gonna retire next week. Bro, we need you. Don't get your ass beat tonight. You need to be able to see the charts. Well, the guys from My Fun and Features told me there's going to be 25 people there tonight. And let's just say best case scenario, there's like, 15 men. Let's say there's 15 like men who could maybe beat me up. I mean, I'm thinking that the odds are in my favor. I think I could take 15, no problem. I'll take 15 other influencers at one time, no problem. First thing you do is you just start kicking people in the nuts. Just nuts. Just everything. Don't do nothing but nuts. Just boom, 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 boom. Everybody in the nuts. You don't stop until they're bleeding from the. Don't give up. Jake G said you couldn't take one. Jake G, I'd knock you the fuck out. Where are you at, Jake G? I'm coming to you. Where do you live at? I'll come to your house right now and I'll knock you the fuck out. Jake G, you dumb motherfucker. His YouTube. Look at Jake G. This is Jake G, everybody. Jake G, bro. I executing trades like a sniper. Is that even English? Jake G? What is that? Executing trades like a sniper. Hey everybody, my name is Jake G. I executing trades like a sniper. Period. Bro, learn English. Be better, Jake G. Be better. God. Just be better. All right. Nasdaq. Oh. Oh. God, what if I really do get beat up tonight? That's not gonna be good. Uh-oh. All right, so I'm kind of thinking like this is key level 20. If we get below 23,200, well then 23,150 pretty easy. And then if we can hold there, you know what I mean? Like if we can't hold there, it's wee. Maybe be going for like a double bottom type thing down here to the 23,000s today. I don't. It's just like I said on the daily chart, I would have really thought that today, the daily chart, we would be kind of like up here in this area, but we're already kind of dipping down here. Someone says they think that we're going to take out the highs. 360 triple top right now. Yeah, I mean, I don't hate it. Yeah, there's IFVGs. I gotta get an energy drink. I need an energy drink. Oh, God. Jerome Powell to address symposium on Friday. All right, let's talk really quickly. I'll give you guys all the answers to why we're fucked. All right, let's just there's one very simple fucking metric here, and it doesn't matter, right? It don't fucking matter. Nothing matters here. It's just we are absolutely fucked, and nobody is talking about it, and I don't know why. But let's be honest. Chat. The U.S. national debt is at 37 trillion, right? We're going to get to a point where we're paying $1 trillion a year in interest alone. We actually fucked. There ain't nothing they can do. People have no idea. It don't matter what they do. It doesn't matter what they do at this point. They can increase rates They can do whatever they want, but it don't matter. We are the USA, we are fucked. Actually fucked. It's crazy. We fucked. Absolutely fucked. I mean, the only way they're gonna, I think the one play, right? The one thing that Trump might be working on is the idea of just hyperinflation, right? You have to create massive inflation, make everything just go skyrocket value. The dollar is gonna lose all purchasing power. It'll get to a point where a fucking energy drink's gonna be $10. That's the only way it's gonna work. Luckily for me, when the inflation takes over, my Ferrari is gonna be worth more money. See, and I'm gonna be richer. While all the poor people get poorer, I get richer because now my Ferrari is worth more money. True story. Y'all don't even know about that. Nobody will buy it. They will always buy it. There will always be rich people. Think about that. No matter what. When poor people get poor, guess what? Rich people will always stay rich. I will always be, you know what I mean? Like, it's not how, when the economy crashes, rich people still stay rich. It's the middle class and it's the poor people that are fucked. Not the rich people. Very true. Say whatever you want, but it's the truth. All right. Watching the Nasdaq here. Like I said, kind of a funky looking chart here. We had that big move back up end of day. Overnight, we went nowhere. We pulled back here again. We're at the lows here. So if we can't, I think pretty much this is the line in the sand, right? I'd say above 200, it's a long, like, market pushes back up here. We kind of put in a higher low there. Below 200, the market's going downtown like fucking Charlie Brown. You know? Ross Trade says, PW, I'm living in the UK. Let me marry you, bro. I don't know, man. Victoria's pretty hot. Ross Trades doesn't seem, I don't know. Should I marry Ross Trades or marry Victoria? No one's gonna buy that used Ferrari if we go into hyperinflation. Alan, can you, Alan. Tell me you're not smart without being smart. You know what I mean? No offense. Just like you tell me really quickly that you're not smart. What do you think about it like this, Alan? I gotta turn the music off because I'm so focused on this right now. We still got plenty of time until the market opens. But think about it like this, Alan. I want you to think about it like this, all right? Hyperinflation. What is the only thing? What are the things that gain value during hyperinflation? Let's think about it, Alan. Let's think about it. Let's think for 1 minute. What gains value during hyperinflation? Things that are not easily just, made. They're never gonna make another Ferrari like this. Never again. So yes, my Ferrari will be worth a lot more money if there is hyperinflation, because, well, you can't print more Ferraris. The same way that my 1979 Porsche is only gonna go up in value. And it's not because people just love cars, but think about it very simply, all right? Think about it very simply. It's just called supply and demand, right? It's supply and demand, Alan. It's supply and demand. You don't understand. It's supply and demand. Look at this. Look at this, right? I want you to look at this, Alan. Check this out. Here's a graph, right? These are 19. This is the price, right? The price of a 930 Turbo, Porsche 930 Turbo, right? Back in 2010, the price of these cars, 45,000, 40 grand, you know, pretty normal prices. And look at the graph. The median price, 230s. 230s, there has been a little bit of a pullback. I got mine for 90 recently. But again, the point here is hyperinflation will make everything go up in value. And people will still want to buy cars. No matter if the world is ending, people will still be buying cars, right? Even, you know, it's all just, it's a fugazi, it's a fugazi. Fugazi. All right? Fugazi. Yo, what's your biggest trade till this day? I don't know, like 75,000? $75,000 in one day? What eval are you on right now? I'm on your mom's eval. Trading your mama's eval, boy. Kind of got like a little bit of a inverted head and shoulders right here. Like I said, I think pretty much I'm just watching, right? If we get below the 220s, if we start to dump down through here, I'm looking for the shorts, and I'll be looking for like 150s and then down there. Pretty simple. So that's all I know. I don't know much else. I don't know very much, but I know that much. We'll see what happens. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. That's right. PW, you sold the GT3 RS. I sold the GT3 RS because the GT3 RS market was crashing. I got out before it went down. Kelly Kaufman said 22,800 today. 22,800 today. Kelly Kaufman, okay. That would be from here to here, about another 2% drop to the downside. I don't know, bro. I mean, I'm not against it, but it's hard to imagine that happening today, especially after yesterday's daily candle. If we didn't have a wick, you know, at the bottom, if we have that massive wick, then maybe I'd be thinking that, but I don't think we're going that low. I might be wrong, but I don't think we're going that low today. I think we got to push back up, maybe build out a bit more of a flag or something, but we ain't going 22,800 a day. But I might be wrong. We'll see. End of the Woods said 22,760. Oh, God. Okay, everyone just throw out numbers and someone's going to be right. Hey, if everybody in the chat starts everybody just name a name, just name a random number. 22,000, 1 million. The market's going to go to 22,000, 1 million. The market's going to go to a trillion. You know what I mean? If everybody in the chat just starts naming random numbers, at some point, yeah, someone's got to be right. Yeah, someone's got to be right. That's messed up, Patrick. Well, you can't be burping like that live on YouTube. We got 2 minutes till market opens. I mean, like I said, if we hold this 23,200 level, I don't really see any reason to be short. We'll see what happens. Patience, patience, patience. We got news today, 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. We got the fucking, whatever you call the Jackson Hole fucking shit going on.
23,300.
23,300. We got the Jackson Hole Symposium. Daniel, if your payout from Apex got removed from the account, then you're good to go, baby. YOLO. $30 seconds here till market open. 30 seconds. $30 seconds. Get ready. Trade by Slade got that $25,000 payout. Let's go, Slade. You little crazy redneck motherfucker. I don't know if I call you a redneck. Let's call you a hillbilly. You hillbilly motherfucker. He gonna get paid. Trades by Slade gonna get paid. You hillbilly motherfucker. All right, right now, just kind of holding up here, chopping around. Like I said, if we get below that 200 level, well then shorts come in and they want to party. Right now, Nasdaq straight down here. There's that move to the downside there now through the 200s. Will this be the dump now? Or just to rip it back up there again, maybe? Holding that level down there. We got news at 9:45, 10 o'clock, so I gotta wait for some type of like rejection here at this 200 level. We got stuck there at the EMA for now, but that ain't enough to get me excited just yet. But I might, like, depending if we keep getting stuck here below the 230s, I might grab a short here. ES is moving down. Nasdaq's moving down. She's still holding up there at the 200s for now. Thinking about getting short here. Watching, waiting, watching, waiting. They can't get it below the lows. No reason to get short there for now. Bulls are stepping in there. I'm gonna try, oh my God. Try to get long there. My count wasn't on the right thingy. All right. Maybe get a long here if we start to push. I'm going to try a long here. Stop like right there at the 33. See if we can't take out this high from the overnight maybe. I like that strength back up here now. Really nice. Get a little bit more. I'll go like 75s here up to that pivot point. Give me 25 points. 25 points on it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, chat. Give me a little bit more. 75's on it. Wow. Wow. I'm going to move this target up a little bit. Why? Wow. Wow. As long as we need to basically stay up above this 240 level. I'm going to move his target up some more. The overnight high is all the way up there at the 360s, so fucking A. Wow. Straight back down here again. What a joke. What a joke. All right, refocus, refocus. It ain't over yet. We took out the high and the low of that opening candle just to chop right here some more. You gotta love that. Nvidia's popping up there, 175.80 on Nvidia. Possibly getting back in long here again. I'm gonna try this long again here for the push through the highs. We double down now. We got 12 contracts long. I want to see if we can't get up there through the 90s next. Oh, come on. Rip it, Nasdaq. Rip it. Got the VWAP up there, the 85s. Just need to push through 270s right here. We go, baby. Come on. Let's get it. I'm being greedy, looking for a little bit more out of it. I don't want just this. I want more. I want more. All right, I'm taking a little bit right there. That's fine. And then I'm going to move this to break even just to see if we can't rip through the 300s there next. Be like right up here at the 95s maybe. Maybe more. Give it a little bit of room here. You got that overnight high. I like. Get above the VWAP here. Take out this overnight high. Overnight high right now is up there at the 370 area. 370 is overnight high. So the ES, the Nasdaq trying to go. Can we get some type of follow through here now? We're right there at the VWAP now. If we can break through the VWAP here strong, we got yesterday's close there, 325s. But he's having a little bit of trouble for now. Ron Pierce just made $500 on his first funded account. Woo! You crazy son of a gun. All right, VWAP right now acting as resistance there. Fucking A. Nvidia's ripping up right now. Nvidia's ripping up. Apple kind of ripped up, pulled back a little bit. The ES is holding. The Nasdaq's holding. We got news at 9:45. Fuck, it's gonna stop me out here probably. Stopped out there, break even, fucking A. Just no follow through at all right there. We're just stuck at the VWAP for now. Still green on the day there, but wanted more out of it. All right, if we get back above 280 here again, might be another long opportunity. Got to get out of that VWAP. The Dow is kind of dumping right now. Dow's down. ES is going kind of bear flagging right here as well. You see what happens here now. If we lose this 245 area on the Nasdaq, do we start to sell back down here now? Nasdaq still holding up there. We got 4 minutes till the news. Little flaggy looking thing now. Still flat here. Kind of holding up there now. If we start to dump through 40s, I might get short there. Only if we start to really give up that 40 level. Right now, just holding up there still. Still just holding up there at the 40s. Watching to see kind of if we get this break to the upside. Maybe there's another long setup here. Very just undirectional right now. The Nasdaq, the ES, everything kind of holding on for dear life. I'm going to try a long here. My stop below the 40s. If it starts ripping up, I want to be in it. We keep putting in these higher lows, so we'll see. A little bit of trouble there again. Just can't get through there. You got that news coming out here in a minute. Almost 6,000 people watching. Let's go. If we have trouble here, if we start to dump down, then I just got to get short. I know it sounds stupid, but like, you just got to get short at that point. Yeah, it's a short. It's a short. Through the 240s here, watch. Cover some here, like in this low area. There we go. Take out this 200 level there next. Look for some more. Down there to the 180s or possibly lower. I'm trying to ride this a little bit. We got a 10-point stop here now. Can we get some type of breakout out of this level now? See if we can't get down there to the 172s. I'm gonna move this target down a little bit more, actually. I'm gonna move this stop right there to the 220s. That's guaranteeing 20 points. So I normally go for 20 points anyway, so let's see if we can't get down there towards the 150s, which was our original target this morning for the shorts. We were looking for this move down there to the 150s, right? So let's see. This is that area I'm looking for on the chart right now. This is basically the this kind of low from yesterday there at the 150s. We're trading it. Well, got close. Fucking A. And stopped out for profit there again. Wow. Wowzers. Rips right back up again. I mean, fuck. That was a pretty strong move back up here now. If we get above, like I want to see maybe get above that 270 area, and then the longs could try to come in there. Big push back up across the ES and the Nasdaq. Let's try the longs here. Try to get a breakout through the 300s there next. We'll look to add into this if we break out, like keep pushing through the 250s there next. This is coming. Hutting my stops now. Looking to add into this. I want to get it back above 250. I'm adding into this above the 250s again. Thinking that we could get up there towards that 280 area really quickly. There's my ad. Okay. I want to see some more here. I just want to get, I want this to keep ramping. Don't slow down now, Nasdaq. There we go. Targeting here into that 87 level. Stuck there again. We got news at 10 o'clock, so maybe the market's just gonna fucking chop around until then. I don't know, man. We got 6,000 people watching. If you guys have not already, hit the like button, subscribe button, blow it up. We need more love on the stream. More love on the stream, Jet. All right, we got to get through this 260 area quickly here, Nasdaq. Come on, do something. If not, I'm in trouble. Probably stopped out again here. The chop is real. Wow. And fucking A. Stopped out there again. Sucks. Whatever. Nasdaq's going nowhere, so just gonna have to sit back here and be patient. Basically flat on the day right now. I was up 1,000, down 1,000, up 1,000, back to 0, back to 1,000, back to 0, back to 1,000. Someone said I'm a bad trader. Okay, that's fine. I like being a bad trader. It's all good. Doesn't hurt me. As long as I make money, it's all that matters. And we're gonna make money here. Don't you worry, chat. Oh my Lord, just got dumped on there again. LOL. Now I'm a bad trader. That was bad. We got news in 7 minutes here. 6 minutes, 7 minutes, whatever you want to call it. All right, well, basically we need to hold the low of that candle, or maybe we chop down here a little bit more.
Hey Patrick, what does BDH mean?
What does BDH mean? Bad day trader house. Being patient. If we get back above the 260s, I'm gonna look to add another contract here. Market just chopping around, going nowhere right now. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, a lot of choppy, McChopperson. Probably gonna get stopped out here again. And yep. Nasdaq again just pulling back here. Seriously, what does BDH mean? It means the big dick house. I mean, how's that? How does no one know that now? Market chopping around here at the 200 level. We got news coming out at 10 o'clock. Nasdaq down there through the 200s again. And just popped it right back up there again. Oh, man. Just chopping, waiting for this news to come out, 10 o'clock. We're just stuck here inside the 15-minute range for now. Market can't decide which way it wants to go here, so. There's the news. Downtown to the 150s now. Just pop it up one more time. Wow. Crazy. Crazy times. We had those big moves the last few days. Everyone got spoiled with that price action yesterday. This shit's going nowhere. We're right back up again. Wow. A 100-point rip back up here off the lows. What a wild move. Do. Oh, la, 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 la. All right, back up there towards the VWAP again. People asking, why am I trading this bullshit? I mean, I didn't choose to. I didn't wake up this morning and go, man, I really want to trade this bullshit today. You know what I mean? Like, not by choice. I'm not here by choice. I'm here by necessity, okay? I'm poor. I need money. Nasdaq right back up there to the VWAP now. All right, we're back up there to the VWAP now. We get some type of small pullback here. ES is flagging. Fuck. Just got to go for it, I think. I'm trying another long here at the 70s. Try to add into it maybe if we pull back a little bit, but now I think we can just target the overnight high there. Overnight highs to get through there, so we'll see. I'm gonna add there. Break through there. Everybody in the chat, if you say I revenge trade, you say I'm gambling, like just you know what I mean? Like, what do you want me to do? You know, like what do you want me to do? Not to trade? You want me to sit here in silence and not do anything? Like, what do you want me to do? What should I do? You know what I mean? Like, what should I do? All the experts in the chat, what should I do right now? Just not trade? Should I just leave? I can walk away. Honestly, I can walk away right now. You know what I mean? Like, I can just turn it off. I can just turn it off and walk away. That's what I should do. You should be a good example. I'm a bad example, everybody. Don't be like me. Don't buy. Don't do anything. It's not gonna show my trades anymore. I'll just stay like this the whole time and not talk, because that's what all the people want me to do. Just don't do nothing. Don't do nothing, Patrick. I can't talk. I can't trade. Can't do anything here. It's all good. It's all good, man. No worries. Nasdaq up there to the pivot point, up there to the opening range high, just stuck here going nowhere right now. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Whatever you do, don't get long. Don't do, I'm a bad example. I just, you know, I want people to have the good example. Don't, if you want to learn how to trade, the best thing to do is don't trade. I'm being honest. Honestly, like, if you're watching this live stream right now, 100%, like, no bullshit, like, just don't try. You know what I mean? Just, like, don't try. Honest, like, the best advice that I can give anybody out there, like, if we're being 100% honest with people, like, just don't try. You know what I mean? Like, that would probably be the best option. Trying to be a day trader is actually fucking retarded. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you're actually fucking, like, you have to be retarded to want to do this. And that's the truth. Like, I mean, go back in time and don't trade. Like, if you're not making money trading, like, just quit now. That's what that would be my advice. That if you want the, like, God's honest advice, I would just say don't try. You know, like, just do anything else. Go get a real job. I do anything but trading, honestly, because trading is a terrible idea. You're never gonna make money. It's impossible. So just think about that, okay? Think about that. Since people want me to set a good example, that would be the example to set. Like, honestly, that's the truth. Like, you're an idiot. Like, you'd have to be an actual idiot to want to day trade. And that's the truth. That is 100% the truth. But hey, you know, sometimes idiots get lucky in life. But that's the truth. So, but you're teaching your son and your girlfriend. I mean, maybe I'm bad. Maybe I'm the problem in the world, you know? Maybe I'm the issue in the world. Maybe. I don't know. It could be. I could be the problem, right? Maybe I should just delete my YouTube channel, sell everything, you know, go and help people, I don't do something with their life. I don't know. I don't want to be a bad influence on people anymore, you know? I don't want to. I don't want to set bad examples for people. Because again, like, it's just, there's no point in being a day trader, honestly. Don't do it. Whatever you do, it's a terrible idea. Become a used car salesman. Fuck. That would suck. That would not be fun. Well, Nasdaq's either gonna go or it's gonna not, so we'll find out. It's gonna go or it's not. I don't know. I just, you know, everybody said that I'm tired, you know, I really don't want to set a bad example for people anymore. Honestly, like I might just, this might be my last stream forever. I might just never, today might be the day. I give up. I don't want to be a bad example anymore. It's been a fun run, you know, we've had fun. We've done it, man. We've had fun together. And now the end is near. Now the end is near. Nasdaq's going up. It's not really going anywhere, but it's going up. going up. I'm not taking profit until 360s or more. Either that or we're fucking losing everything, boys.
Can we make a test pat you trade account with 1K drawdown?
Can we make a test pat you trade an account with 1K drawdown? Why though? Why? You know what I mean? Like why? What's the test? You know, like what's the test? Patrick, hey, trade an account with $1,000 drawdown. What is that? What do you know what I mean? Like what's that gonna do?
Don't listen to the haters. You are amazing. UDOU.
He would not be able to do that. It's not his style. I mean, I could trade with $1,000 drawdown. Why could I not? I've already done it. Whatever. Your chat is very toxic. I mean, you're not wrong. Maybe it's because of me. You know, maybe I'm the reason, you know? Maybe I made the chat this way. That might be the problem. That could be it. I don't know. Maybe I did it all. I did it all. ES is making new highs right now. You got the close on yesterday on the ES at the 6,413s. You've got Nasdaq high 23,320s. Bam, 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 bam. We're breaking out of the opening range. We got yesterday's close up there at the 320s. I mean, I'm not questioning anything, really. People are like worried about me questioning stuff, but honestly, like, you know, the way I look at it, I could sell everything, get on a plane, go live on an island somewhere, and never have to worry about money ever again. You know, like, walk away with $10 million and just be done with it, really. Did somebody pay $5 to just... Surge, did you just pay $5 to write in the chat? How about that $2,300 call, like 23,000, that 23,300 call? Like, is that? Did you really just? Is that real? Is this real life? Like, did he really just? You know what I mean? Like, did he really just do that? Did he just pay $5 to let everybody know that he called out 23,300? Man, this chat is undefeated right now. It's epic. Hey, everybody, just letting y'all know I paid $5 to let everybody in the chat know that you know, I called out 23,300. Just letting y'all know. Just no big deal. Just wanting y'all to know. You know, just throwing it out there. Where is the truck listed for sale? It's listed on bringatrailer.com. You can buy my truck right now. I'm going broke. I need to sell everything. Please help me help you. Please help me help you. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Dude, we're at 47,000. No reserve. No reserve. 47,000. Buy my truck. Help me help you, please. Help me, chat. I need someone to buy my truck, please. Please help me. This is my truck. It's for sale if anybody wants to buy it. It's on an auction website if you want to bid on it. It's real nice. It's cool. It's cool. You might like it. Just throwing it out there, you know, anybody wants it. How much for the truck? It's called an auction, you idiot. What, guys? It's not 47,000. It's an auction. There's 5 more days. There's no reserve. Everybody in the chat. Patrick, how much is it? It's the price of the auction. Is that the one that I broke? Well, you know, I don't know if I'd say I broke it. Let's just say I had to put a new front axle in it, but don't worry, I fixed it. It's good to go now. Patrick, will you sell your truck for 37,000 right now? Well, I mean, it's an auction website. Falling asleep over here. We got the $50. Don't forget about the $50 deal. $50 right now with Funding Ticks Pro Plus accounts. That's right. You can sign up. You can sign up for only $50 at fundingticks.com. It's the Pro Plus 50K account. All right. Don't be dumb. Be smart. All right. I am, like I said, I'm targeting the overnight high and nothing less. It's either we're going to get 100 points here or we're not. That's all we're going for. Big balls of fire. All right? I don't give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck. I don't care what happens. It's either fucking going to hit the overnight high or it's not. And that's the only thing I care about right now. That is the only thing I care about, chat. This triple top up here, 360s, is the only fucking target that I care about. I don't care what happens next.
Thanks for everything, love from Poland.
Ooh! He called me love. Thanks for everything, love. No problem, love. Says we can go to... Come on home for me. Because I don't wanna be... American in Armenia said it needs a good pullback before going higher. Well, shut the fuck up. You shut up. You shut the fuck up. Why does it need a good pullback? Just shut up. Just shut up. There is no activation fee. No activation fee. That's our target up there, 69s. Make or break, baby. What is the car? I asked you in the background. What is it? What is it? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? It's a Mazda. It's a Mazda Miata, okay? It's a motherfucking Mazda Miata. And boom, coming home. Because I don't wanna be but hope to be. I'm falling asleep over here. Is there someone behind you? Where? Where? Where are they at? What are they doing? Oh my God, dude, I am so tired of explaining how to buy an account, right? Like I can't do it anymore, chat. I cannot keep living like this. Every day I have to explain how to buy an account. Why? Why do I have to every day? These fucking prop firms can't make this shit easy enough for the fucking retards on the internet to buy an account. All right, one more time. One more time. Check this out. Are you ready? No thing. Look. All right. You go to buy a eval. You go to buy a challenge. Fundingticks.com. You have one option. One step or the zero. Click on one step. Click on Funding Ticks Pro. Then click right here. $1,000. 50K account. Look at this. Go over here. Type in PW. PW. What is the total? $50. I can't, man. Like, it's fucking crazy every day. I seriously, like, I tell these prop firms, I'm like, guys, you have to treat your customers like they're fucking retarded, because I get questions every day that make no sense. People cannot figure this shit out. It's wild. It's crazy. Like, the same people that want to be a day trader can't figure out how to buy a fucking account. That's it's crazy. Right? Like, that's crazy. It's actually crazy. Like, it's crazy. But yes, everybody understand it? Does everybody understand it? One step, Funding Ticks Pro Plus. Click the 1,000, click the 50K, put the code PW, bam, bam, bam. It's $50. It's not fucking rocket science. All right, Nasdaq up there above yesterday's close now. We are still long, by the way. I don't know why anybody fucking doubted me. I don't know why anybody fucking doubted me here. God. I'm just gonna, you know what I'm gonna do from now on? I'm just not even gonna trade live anymore. I'm gonna be like all the other influencers, and I'm just gonna post my P&L at the end of the day, and then I'm gonna go, guys, join my Discord and I'll teach you how to do it. Pay $500 to join my Discord, and we can all sit around and fucking circle jerk each other off. You know, we can just fucking sing Kumbaya together. Just a bunch of circle jerking motherfuckers. Just a bunch of circle jerks. All right? Just a bunch of we gotta circle jerk this motherfucker. I want to circle jerk all you guys. Come on. Everybody join my fucking Discord. Get into my Discord right now. I dare you. Come join my Discord. You won't. You won't fucking do it. You won't fucking do it. You don't know how to party like I do. I will fucking Discord you up. I'll get you. We're gonna get so fucking naughty. I'm gonna get so fucking naughty. You don't even know. I'm gonna make fucking Pornhub look like a rated for PG. Yeah. Gonna be so much jerking going on. We're gonna jerk each other fucking backwards, frontwards, every fucking way. Join my fucking Discord today. Ah! I told you I'm not selling until 60s, okay? So everybody shut the fuck up. Oh. Nothing like an ice cold beer early in the morning, you know? The hops. I like the hops. Are you short? Somebody in the chat just asked. He just asked me if I'm short. Bro, I can't. The chat is undefeated. 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 It's undefeated. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's gonna pull all the way back down. Oh. Wow. 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 Is it gonna pull? I'm gonna put my stop at break even. Oh Lord. Stop at break even. I don't even care anymore. I already got $1 million in the bank. What's another fucking, what's 10,000? You know what I mean? Like, what does that even do? What does that even do for me? Nothing. Well, I can't even buy anything with $10,000, you know? I can't even, what am I even gonna buy? Nothing. Nothing. I buy nothing at the bathroom. How come you don't use hotkeys to set break even? What? Hotkeys? Tory Trades is watching? Oh my God, I am rock hard now. I'm happy. Where's my Koenigsegg? At your mom's house. Can you tell her to bring it back to my house? Can you tell your mom to bring the Koenigsegg back over to my house? I didn't have time last night to drive it home. I didn't have enough time last night to drive it back. How come you no longer go poop midstream? Well, you know, I like to party. I gotta poop real bad, but I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it, man. Wow. Man, all the way back down here now. Wowzers. It's a scam. This market's a scam. Look at this 15-minute candle. Just A cube. I swear to God, if you didn't tell me shit. What did you tell me? What did you tell me? I told you to sell. A cube. Why would I listen to some dumb motherfucker in the chat named A cube? You know, like, why? Why would I ever do that? You know, like, why would I listen to some person in the chat who's like, Patrick, I told you to sell. Patrick, I told you. You know, like, guys, it's just, I wish I could just ban the word I told you from the chat. You know, it's just like, I get it. Maybe I should have sold. But at the same time, it's like, I didn't. So you telling me that you told me, what does that do for anybody? It does nothing for anybody. It doesn't, you know what I mean? Like, it does nothing for anybody. So it's just like, I get it. You're a fucking genius. I'm an idiot. I get it. I understand. Thank you. You know, thank you for telling me. Thank you. You told me to sell. I get it. Thank you. You're the best trader. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. I'm very happy that you're here. You know, thank you. Thank you so much for helping me. You know, I've been needing so much help this whole time, and I finally got it, and I'm happy. Thank you for that. Everybody got the answer except for me. You know, I'm like, dude, am I retarded or is the chat? I can't figure out. I can't figure it out, actually. You know, I just cannot figure it out. Why do y'all keep saying Tori's here? Where is Tori at? Hey, like I said a million times, you know, I might be retarded, right? There's no denying that. But the fact that you guys are watching me, you know, it's kind of like, oh, if I'm retarded and you're watching me, what does that make you? What does that make me? If you're retarded, but then you watch me, what does that make me? Well, we might get stopped here, boys. I'm okay with it. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna live with it. It's a choice that I have to make personally. You know, I have to make that choice. As a man, I have to put on a trade and make that choice. And that's all there is. That's all there is. That's all. That's life. Life is just, it's an infinite stream of choices. You know, that's it. One choice takes you to the next door. The next door closes and then that door opens. And then the next choice takes you somewhere else. And at some point, you might look back and think to yourself, wow, you know, maybe I should have sold at the 340s. Maybe. You know, you think that, and then you think, well, you know, I made the choice. That's it. That's all there is. That's the story to life. I got nothing else to say. It's the choice. Choices have been made. And there we go. We're stopped out. Almost. There it is. Sucks to suck, but that's just the name of the game. It is what it is. Nasdaq just right back down here, 260s again. All right, I wanna make it very clear to everybody in the chat who's trying to give me advice. I wanna make something very clear, right? Are you all ready for it? Is everybody very rare? Are you ready for it? You wanna be ready? Are you guys, is everybody ready for it? Hold on a second. I wanna make something very clear, right? I wanna make something very clear. I don't see anybody in the chat on top of the leaderboard. I don't see anybody else getting big payouts. But everybody gonna tell me how to do what you know what I mean? Like, Patrick, you should have sold. Why'd you not sell? Hey, you know? Why, if you're all so good, why are you here telling me? Why don't you start your own YouTube channel? You could make $1 million a month if you're so good at day trading. You should. You should open up your own day trading channel and you should become a millionaire. I hope that you do, right? I really do. I do hope that. I do hope that. Because there are so many traders in my chat that are like, they know exactly where the top is. They know exactly where the bottom is. And I'm like, man, if you're that good, like you would make a lot of money on YouTube. You know, you really would. I think you should. I think you should start your own YouTube channel. It would actually, like I said, it would be very, I think you would make a lot of, you'd be very profitable. So I just, you know, putting that out there for anybody, you know, that's like, hey, why don't you should do it? You know what I mean? Like you should literally open your own YouTube channel. I think it would be great. I think everybody that in the chat who is very, very good at trading would be very good at it. You know, it's like you should do this. Why are you not already doing it? I'm confused. You're waste. You know what I mean? Like you'd make so much money if you just started your own YouTube channel. So, just putting that out there. Anybody's interested, you know, just open up a YouTube. Get to it, man. You know, don't let me hold you back. Don't let me be the reason you're not a millionaire. You know, don't let me be the reason. I'm trying to help you. You know, I help you, help me, help you, kind of thing. You know, just putting that out there. So. I want to help you guys. You can make a lot of money. If I was you, like I wouldn't even try to trade. Honestly, trading is retarded. But being a YouTuber, way easier. You should definitely do it, you know. Definitely do it. Oh, God. Patrick, I think this is getting odd and toxic. I think you're also surfing to get views, but seems you want this to be toxic. I mean, I don't know what else. What would you like me to do? What should it's like if I talk, I'm there then people don't like when I talk. If I trade, they don't like when I trade. If I, what should I do? I'm just trying to figure out what should I do as a YouTuber to make people happy. You know? What should I do? Yes, I got stopped out. On the longs. Yes, already stopped out. What else? I'm just trying to figure out what I should do. You know? I don't know. Nasdaq just chop around the 270s, 275, pivot point right there, VWAP right there. I'm going to try a short here. Chat. Are we going to reverse this whole move? Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring this motherfucker down. Bring her down. La 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 la. La 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 la. Matt V said, all good, brother. I hope that family life is all good. Why would my family life not be good? You know what I mean? Like, why would it, like, you think I'm, like, what's going on in my family that would make me not be good? You know, like, what? Everything's fine. Life is good. I'm just sitting here and it's just like, I got to listen to the chat. Like, no matter what I do, it's a lose-lose. So I'm just trying to figure out what I should do to win, you know? So, and gonna get stopped out here. Yes, Victoria cut me off. All right, I'm over it. This chat is just retarded right now. There's no point. So, I'm no longer reading the chat for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna have fun and I'm just gonna do whatever I'm gonna do. Goodbye, chat. Goodbye. It goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. It goes down, it goes up. No banking line, no banking line, Ellie. All right, can't lose I can't lose on every trade, right? Every trade's got to be, some trades got to be good. All right, I'm looking to target the, well, need to get through this 60 area here. If we kind of like, if we keep holding this 60s, I might just fucking get out here. Got to break through the 60s right here, right now. Try to take us down there, kind of like into this 40. You got 200 to the downside, maybe. Or we just chop around here for fucking ever. Yeah. That's the high. That's the low. That's the low. That's the low there now. Gonna get this bear flag is gonna get invalidated. It's gonna pop back through the 300s now. Gotta pop back up there through the 300s. Watch. Where's the bear flag invalidated? Right there. It just got invalidated. Now it's a higher low. Look at the 5-minute chart. Bam. Now we're gonna push to the highs, baby. Now we're going to the highs, baby. JK. Hi. I don't know. This price action, man. Trying to hold the middle of that 15-minute range. We're right there at that pivot point. The EMAs, everything is flat right here. Just chopping back down now once again. Fucking A. Trouble there at the opening range high for now, 15 minutes range, so. Still holding up there. If we lose that 260 support, maybe we roll back down here. But right now, just kind of holding on for dear life. Right below the VWAP, right below that pivot point there. So. My knees again, looks like I'm on my knees again. Watching to see what happens here with the Nasdaq, just holding up at the 260, 270 area, not going anywhere quick. I think if we can pop back up above this 300 level, we can try to go for those highs again. Will it happen? I don't know. Right now, just kind of tapping that 15-minute range high. 15-minute candle pulled back there into the middle of the 15-minute range. Stuck there right now at the pivot point. We've got a pivot point right there at the 280s. See what happens here after 11 o'clock. After 11, see what happens.
For some of us, we do appreciate your time. 0.001 ounces of your next tomahawk on me grin.
Maria with the $20. Let's go. Change. That's enough for me. Banging, baby. All right, Nasdaq trying to push up here. Looking for this push through the 300s next. Once again, another 300 push. I like the longs to go through 300s here. Straight up right now. Knees again, looks like I'm on my knees again. Knees again. Fucking A. Just gonna chop and fucking chop some more, huh? Building out a bit of a flag here if we can get through the 300s. Get up there towards the highs again, maybe, but just stuck there for now, right below 300. Come on. Gotta be right at least once in my life here today. Gotta be right at least once. This market. Am I gonna do another mentorship? Ugh. It's hard to even think about doing another mentorship right now. All right, here's 11 o'clock. Will we get the pump? Like I said, I'm looking for that 11 o'clock pump here. Let's get up there towards that overnight high, maybe. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, you know? It's crazy how, like, this is the titanium AP that I bought. Right? It's all titanium with the carbon fiber. It's crazy how lightweight it is compared to my other AP. It's a weird thing. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Limited edition, chat. Limited edition. Only 1 out of 1,000 right here. It's made out of titanium. Thing is feather fucking light. So lightweight. It's crazy. Y'all know what I'm talking about, though? It's the weirdest thing, man. I don't know. I'm like, in the morning, I wake up and I like grab my titanium watch and I'm like, man, this thing is lightweight. If you read on the back there, can't really see it, but if you read on the back, see on the back there? Oh, man. Oh, it's so lightweight. So lightweight. Crazy. Is it working? I don't know. See, the problem is, like, I got a big I'm a big guy, so you know I need a big watch. What brand? It's an AP. I can't even say the name. Ardmois Puigay. Ardmois Puigay. It's an Ardmois Puigay. All right, here's this push. This is now we are going. We're going for the push here. Let's do something, Nasdaq. Come on. Like, I got to get at least one push today, right? Like, one push. That's all I want. I'm not being greedy. I'm not being greedy, man. That 325 area holding us down. Yesterday's close. We're back to the opening range high again. Fucking A. I can't catch a break today to save my life. Ardmois Puigay. This sucks. Wow. Absolutely no follow through here. Just right back down again. And we're stopped out there again. How great. Back to the pivot point. VWAP holding up a support right now, but you got the grind up and then the dump back down. The grind up, dump back down. So flexing. Market's just flexing on us right now. And Nasdaq back down there to the VWAP again. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now just kind of chopping around there, going nowhere. ES pulling back here as well, putting in another low, putting in a lower high here on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, lower high. Nasdaq, 5-minute chart, lower high. Back to the VWAP again. Straight back down there again. Whatever. Scratch Off Millionaire says, this is a reverse PW day. I mean, every single trade that I've taken has been profitable. So, yeah, if you want to reverse me, go ahead and do it. Whatever. You do you, bro. I mean, I think, if anything, it's just the fact that, like, the last 2 days we had some really, really big moves. And, you know, I kind of, like, did not feel very happy about not getting all those really big moves. So maybe today I'm compensating. You know, maybe today it's, like, a bit on tilt because of the last few days, I guess. So, kind of the story, I guess. I don't know. Mike, how's the live account doing so far? Honestly, not doing too well. We've just been just not on it, man. Oh, son. He went members only mode and then says every trade was a winner. I mean, what trade was not a winner? Whatever, bro. Every single trade that I took today the trade went to where we wanted to go, went up or went down. I just wanted bigger moves. Whatever. This guy can't handle the heat. He just stays quiet. Are you talking about the same person? Are you talking about the same person? I'm quiet. Guys, right now, hey, everybody, shh. I would love to meet all you little bitches. Hey, anybody in the chat who thinks they're a badass and wants to come say anything to my face, you know where the BDH is. There's a big rooster on the fucking wall. You can't miss it. Anytime you want, come say it. Come say it. You know what I mean? Like, come say it to my face, because you won't. But if you want to, you know where I'm at. I don't hide. I'm never hiding. There's a big rooster on the side of my fucking office. You can't miss it. Off of South Dixie. Old Dixie Road in Pompano Beach. Can't miss it. Big old rooster. Anytime you want to come, you know, you're feeling froggy, come on down. I ain't worried. You just come on down, chat. Come on down. Don't worry. Daddy's not worried. Hey, I'm not worried. I'll be here, chat. I'll be here. Anytime you want, just come on down. If you're feeling froggy, you should jump, boy. If you're feeling froggy, you should jump. All right, go ahead and jump, boy. Exactly. Exactly. What do you want? Wait, come if you feeling froggy, come jump. I'll knock out any motherfucker in the chat who wants to talk shit. I will. Look at this. Done. My. Do. I'm trying to hold for the low of day now. Down into that low of day area. Like 180s or so. So, whatever. That's my target. He can dish it out, but he can't take the heat. Yeah, bro. I can't take the heat, anybody. Please turn the AC on. I can't take this heat. Oh, man. Patrick, what's the perks of joining your paid channel? There's no perks. It's just like you're a member of the channel. It's $5 a month. Basically, like, not really like any perks to it, to be honest. It's $5 a month. So, river high enough to take me from here to you, babe. Is there an activation fee for funding ticks? There is no activation fee for funding ticks. How did I see the sell? Well, what do we got here? We got a little kind of head and shoulders type setup. Looking for that bear flag to play out below the 60s. Down there to the opening range low now. That was the short. I said very clearly, like, hey, we're below the VWAP, but whatever. Name behind a worry. I don't need to worry. Ain't no bills tonight enough. Ain't no. Coming back up to get my stop one more time. Fuck yeah. Today is the day, boys. It's one of those days, man. Just not a day to hold a run. Not a day to go for big trades. Whatever. Just part of the game sometimes. Why would I not take profit? Because I already have $1 million. How much money did you have? You gotta remember, guys, life is different when you're rich. You know, making $1,000 a day, what's it do? You know what I mean? Like, what's it do? Nothing. It doesn't do anything for me. I'm already rich. I've already got millions of dollars. So making 1,000, what does that do for me? It does nothing. I'm trying to become a better day trader. Right? To be a better day trader, I gotta hold for bigger runners. That's just the truth. It really is. I don't care what anyone says. If you're a prop firm trader, that's great. Take your little scalps, make your 5 points, get your payouts, get your $1,000 every 5 days. Fuck yeah. Go for that, right? Go for it. My downfall will be insane. Yes, my downfall will be insane. I can't wait for my downfall. You know what's funny? People have been talking about my downfall for the last 10 years. And guess what? I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for that downfall, man. Any day now, it's going to happen. But it hasn't, so I'll just keep on living, I guess. You know? Whatever. My downfall, man. My downfall is coming, I guess. I mean, honestly, imagine being a person and going on YouTube and then, like, going here and typing in the chat and being like, your downfall is going to be... You know what I mean? Like, think about it like this. Think about it like this, chat. Even if, let's say I do have a big downfall, right? Let's say I have a downfall. What I have done to get to where I am now is still more than 99% of people will ever do their entire lives, right? I've made millions of dollars. I've built a whole brand. I've traveled all over the world. I've ate, I have fucked, and I have done everything. I've done it all. I've fucked supermodels. I've done it all. I've made millions of dollars. I bought fucking cars. I've got boats. I've caught big fish. I've traveled all over the world. So if I die tomorrow, if I just fucking drop dead tomorrow, guess what? Ain't nobody taking away all of the shit that I've done. Ain't nobody. No one's taking away all of the things that I have done to get to where I'm at. The money is Fugazi, it's Fugazi. I'm just gonna make more money. You know what I mean? I'll just make more money. It's not fucking hard. It don't matter what I do. I'll go start a roofing company. I'll go do fucking lawns. I'll do landscaping. It don't matter. I'm gonna win at whatever I do. It don't, like, that's what people don't understand. There is no downfall. It's just winning. Every fucking day winning. That's all there is. Ain't had no thick ghetto chick? Yeah, right. I got them thick ghetto chicks. Hey, let's be honest, you know, leaving a bar late at night, you do the old, do a quick turn left and right, you see what's available, and you say, all right, well, hey, she might be a big girl, but she looks like she's gonna have a good time. You know, it's gonna be okay. Big girls need loving too, okay? Big girls need loving too, all right? Fucking A. Oh. You know what they say about big girls? They're like scooters. They're fun to ride, but they ain't fun to show off. You know? If I get stopped out here, it's just stupid. That's all it is. It's just stupid. Like, look at this trade here. This account was so fucking stupid. Like, fucking sucks. Just to look, just to like, what is that? What is that? What is that? A 30-point rip just straight back up for no fucking reason? This ain't real life. You know, like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Like, why? 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 What is that? Retest the VWAP. I mean, it didn't retest VWAP, it blew through the fucking VWAP. Yeah, big girls, I know, they're like scooters. They're fun to ride, but you don't want to show them off. Yeah, I know what the saying is, bro. Come on. I'm the fucking king of sayings, okay? This market's rigged. It's fucking rigged. It's not even real life right now. I honestly, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know. Wild. Wild. I mean, I think it's honestly like it's impressive that we just magically bounced there at the 200s, but someone says that I'm not good looking. I guarantee NG Voon Chuan, I'm not gonna like assume, but I'm gonna assume that you real goofy looking. I'm gonna just go ahead and assume that. Where do all these people come? Where do all these people come from? Like, what do you, I just want to try to figure out, what do these guys do? Like, what do you guys, you know what I mean? Like, what do you guys do? You know what I mean? Like, what is it? What do you, I want to understand. Like, what is your, you know, what do you, you know what I mean? Like, what do you do? Like, what, like, explain to me what your life looks like. You wake up in the morning and you're like, okay, today I'm going to go on YouTube and I'm going to go tell Patrick that he's ugly. Okay, then like, you know, what's next? What are you doing next, you know? You know what I mean? Like, what's the next thing that you're doing after that? Like, what? Just kind of break down your day for me. You know, what does a day look like for you? What's like your normal day to day, you know? You know, like, what you know what I mean? Like, what do you do? What does the day look like? Claude says, I'm a hot dude and don't need much money to get models. Cool, Claude. Remember, you don't pay him to have sex with you, you pay him to leave. So, you think you're a genius, but clearly you haven't learned a very simple lesson in life. Yeah, exactly. Learn about it, okay? Patrick, look up Proverbs. Go fuck yourself. You go look up my dick in your mouth. Don't even worry about the fucking Proverbs. God, nothing I hate more than somebody fucking, some Bible fucking peddler in the chat. Patrick, you need to read the Proverbs. You know what I need to do? I need to go fucking rub one out or something. That's what I need to do. Fucking A. I got, you know. Hey, keep your Bible verses to yourself, okay? Keep your Bible verses to yourself because I got no time for that. Savage Trading says, you remind me a lot of my cousin. He died from COVID. I mean, what? Your cousin? All right, chat. I think I have an idea. I got an idea, chat. I don't know if it's gonna work. It might be a terrible idea, but maybe. I might get long here again. You know, why not? Maybe. Let's see what happens here. Let's just do it. I'm doing it. Let's just get it over with already. Just get it over with. Why not? You know, just for shits and giggles. Shits and giggles here, chat. That's what we're doing it for. We'll risk 20 points to make 40 points. All right, all right. Someone says I got proof that I beat my woman. Damn. Well, let me see that. I want to see that. If you got proof, let me see it. Don't be afraid to share it. Post it on the internet. Hey, somebody said to get short when I got long. Well, hey, that's the best part about trading, my friends. One of us is going to be right and one of us is going to be wrong. And that's trading. You know, that's trading. There's no rhyme or reason. It's just, I go long, you go short, and someone's going to make money, someone's going to lose money. Okay? That's it. Congratulations. That's all there is. That's the truth of it all. That's trading. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But other than that, it's just the same old shit, man. Different day. You know, just same old shit, different day. Everybody should fade me. Yes, please. Fade, fade, fade. Go, quick. Go, fade, fade, fade. Please keep fading me. Everybody keep shorting. Do it, do it, do it. Fade me. The crazy part is, like, I don't even, like, I'm not, like, if you fade me and you make money, like, I'm not upset about it. I'm like, oh, nice. You made money and I lost money. That's great, right? Like, I think that's epic. That's honestly epic, right? Like, I'm not like, can you send me some, you know, send me some profit at least? If you're gonna fade me, you know, at least like leave a donation. You know, at least like post in the chat about, you know, maybe be like, hey, thanks for letting me fade you. I made money. You know, like I'd be like, hey, you know, it's a mutual relationship. You know, don't be greedy. Come on. Let's be together, happy together. We can be a happy little family. I gotta go pee. Did the chat, is the fade working? Is it working, chat? How's the fade looking? How's the fade working? Chat, is it good fade or is it a bad fade? How'd that fade work out? Anybody? Anybody in the chat? How'd the fade go? The fade didn't work? Justin JD said, I'm still in short. Okay. Hey, man, you do you, bro. I like it. I like it, man. I like your conviction, you know? I like you fighting the fact that, like, hey, the guy who is #1 at 4 different prop firms, who would be a good person to fade? Let me think about it. Let me go find a YouTuber who has been on top of every leaderboard in the industry. And let's do the opposite of what he's doing. Let's do that, right? That makes a lot of sense. It would be like, you know, like it's almost too easy. You know, like it would just be too easy, right? Like, let me just fade this person who is #1 on so many leaderboards, you know? Let me just do that. I would be so much smarter, right? It might be a great idea. Maybe. Maybe. Why'd I go long? Very simple idea here. Got it? Why'd I go long? Does anybody know why I got long there? Anybody? Anybody at all? I don't know. Be hard to figure out. Be hard to figure out why I got long where I got long there. I don't know. Must have been luck. Just simple luck. Just simple fucking luck, boys. Well, let's think about it. We held the 15-minute range. We had this pop back up. We pulled back 15-minute range. I'm looking for the long for the push out of here now. That was my idea. That was my, that was my thesis. That's what I thought might work. I don't know. I never know for sure. Nothing's guaranteed in life, but it's kind of what I was looking for. But what do I know? I'm a gambler. Correct. Everybody, the more you write gambling, the better. I'm trying to get more views. I need more gambling views. I heard gamblers get more views. So I'm trying to be Oh, God. I just don't understand every day. It's like, when I lose, I suck at trading. When I win, I'm gambling. So what is it? Am I bad at trading, or am I just always gambling? I can't figure it out. It's like, what? Is it good or is it bad? You know what I mean? Like, I can't figure it out. Am I a loser or am I a winner? Which one is it? Am I a loser or am I a winner? I gambled my way to the top of 4 prop firms. I gambled my way there, man. Best gambler to ever do it. I never gambled so good. I never done it so good. I never done it that good before. All right, I got my stop right here below these EMAs. If we chop back down and take out those low, I'm fine with that. I'll get out. I'm not worried about it. So, by the way, right now we got funding ticks, $50, $50, that's right, $50, $50. Sign up for funding ticks. That's including activation. That is all in cost. There's no activation fee. You pay $50, you get an account, you get funded. Okay. But yeah, I mean, I think it was a good long there. I wasn't gonna get, you're not gonna get short right here. It's the way I look at it. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. This is my first rodeo. I just learned to trade about 10 months ago. 10 months ago, I figured out this trading stuff, man. I said, man, trading I'm gonna be like a good trader, because I'm gonna buy low and I'm gonna sell high. And that's all I'm gonna do every day. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy, sell high. Buy, sell high. Bye to the YY. You know what I mean? But I don't think the chat really knows what I mean. I don't think people really know. I don't think people really understand. I just don't think they understand. The chat's confused. Oh, God, don't stop me out right here, Nasdaq. Just do something. Don't stop me out. We're pulling back here into the EMAs again, into the VWAP. I got my stop right there where the VWAP's at. If we can get this continuation move, I think we can get up there through the 300s, but if not, whatever. I get fucking stopped out, and it's another fucking dumb little, dumb. At least I took some partials. Hey, chat. You got to give me some credit. Chat. I did take some partials here, okay? Can I get a round of applause at least? For that,
The best of the best.
Can I get a round of applause for that? I want a round of applause for that. Please, somebody. I took some, I took some profit. Now it's gonna pump higher. Now that I got stopped out, the market can go higher. Fucking A. Look at that. What a joke. Give me a golf clap or something, man. Someone's got to give me some fucking props, man. Oh my God, the VWAP again. VWAP pivot point. Resistance. I gotta gamble harder. Dude, this Nasdaq, I can't wait for the fucking, whatever you call it, Jack. I hope Powell's having a great time at fucking Jackson Hole right now, pal. Hey, pal, go to fucking Jackson Hole and talk about how you're gonna fuck everybody in the hole. He's gonna be sitting Jackson Hole, just sitting around talking about how everyone's getting fucked by Jay Powell. Classic. You know, hey, rich people getting richer, you know what I mean? A bunch of rich people sitting around talking about what it's like being rich. That's what's the craziest thing. People be like, they sit around and they be talking about how they, you know, like, we gotta help these poor people out. But it's like, what do you all know about being poor? You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like to go to the grocery store and buy a, I don't go to the grocery store. But if I was going to the grocery store, it would, you know, obviously, like, I would, like, see the prices of things and I would be like, wow, that's expensive. A gallon of milk is $5, you know? But what do the rich people know about that? Vote for PW, president, 2027. Or whenever the next election is. 28? Or 20, yeah, I think 28. Yeah, I don't go to the grocery store. See, that's the problem. Like, rich people don't go to the grocery store. I haven't been to the grocery store, I don't even know how long. I got no time for that. I got people for that. You know? If I need something, I just be like, hey, I need this. I just get it. Trendy Invest said, hey, PW, give me a 50K account. Okay. What's your PayPal, bro? Trendy Invest, what's your PayPal? I got you. I'll send you $500 right now so you can buy 5 Funding Ticks accounts. Trendy Invest, put your fucking PayPal in the account. Put it in there. Put it in there right now, boy. Trendy Invest. I got you, dog. You said, let's go, PW. I'll hook you up. Have you ever been broke? Yeah, I've been fucking broke. What are y'all talking about? I used to be a redneck. I was broke as fuck. Dude, the guy, he's left now. The guy won, but now he left. That sucks. Well, snooze you lose. What was my job before? I mean, my dad has a roofing company, so I grew up roofing. Roofing's pretty serious job, you know? Dude, this Nasdaq, it's stupid right now. It's so stupid. Dude, I try to give a guy $500 and he just disappears. So much for the people in the chat listening. If your dad has his own company, you're not broke. Well, you know, unlike a lot of children in America, my daddy did not wipe my butt. You know, when I turned 16, I bought my own truck for $1,000. I moved out when I was 18. I got a job. I worked. You know, I know, you know, because my dad has a roofing company. You know, he has a roofing company with like 8 employees. You know, I know he's a millionaire, billionaire, but like, he didn't make me a billionaire. You know, like he didn't make me rich. Dude, this Nasdaq is just crazy right now. It's just like, do something. Do something, Nasdaq. There's gonna be a big old bear flag here? Maybe. Not looking too good right there. Wow. And the Nasdaq just continuing to chop around here some more. Back down here again, going nowhere. Below the EMAs, below the VWAP. Just gonna be one of those days, I guess. Just one of those days. What's gonna be the celebration for 500,000 subscribers? I'm gonna delete my YouTube. Celebrate later, bitches.
Ha has sent it to me at LuxAlgo.
Cassie Sands said, I think you're really funny. I don't know why no one gets you. Fuck. Nobody gets me. Nobody understands what it's like to be so rich and so beautiful. It's a problem that I have. How am I gonna live like this? Not only am I beautiful, I'm 6 foot tall. I'm rich. I'm smart. I make $1 million a month. Nobody understands what it's like. No one's gonna ever understand. No one knows what it's like. It's a problem. I got a problem, man. Someone said they don't know about beautiful. Hey, Tora, send me a photo of you. Send me a photo of you. I guarantee it. I'm more beautiful than you are.
Y'all in the chat, stop begging for real. Whoever has the opportunity has it, and it's just not yours right now.
This market is absolutely fucked right now. Why am I still here? Does anybody know? I don't know why. I have no idea why. How much money is from trading the $1 million? All of it, Grandy. What do you think I do? Sell feed pics on OnlyFans? You think I'm an OnlyFans model? I mean, it's all from trading, man. It's all just trading. Millions of dollars. Oh, there's the dumper. Back down there to the 240s again. ES, Nasdaq, both pulling back here. Justin just got approved for a $2,000 payout. Let's go. Justin JD said, thanks for the liquidity. You didn't, what are you talking about? You fucking moron. Get out of here. Thanks for the liquidity. Hey, yeah, man. You're welcome, I get. I don't, like, what? Go suck, you know, like, what are you talking about? What do you think this is? What do you think what are you, like, oh, thanks for the liquidity, Patrick. Ha, I got you, you know, like, ha, I got, the reason the market went down is because PW got long. Ha, I got him, man. The liquidity. Huh, yeah. Liquidity, man. The fucking, yeah, no, the liquidity. All that liquidity, man. I can't believe Patrick made all that liquidity up there. Haha, yeah, wow, cool. Haha, yeah, woo, haha, yeah. Whoa, that's me, man. I'm the liquidity. So much liquidity up in here. All right, Nasdaq back down there to the 230s. I'm about to walk away here. I'm cutting this off at 12 o'clock no matter fucking what. Nothing good's happening. I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't need none of this bullshit in my life, if you know what I mean, chat. Probably not, but if you did know what I meant, you would know what I mean. Still pulling back here. Ooh, buddy. Moving down there to the lows again, maybe? Back to the bottom of the range here once again. 215s now, 214s, 212s. She gone. Nasdaq, she gone. The bear flag playing out there. Whee! From the opening range high back to the opening range low now. She gone. Well, there it is. I think it's a good time to walk away now. Call it a day. Go enjoy my life. Don't read the chat, whatever I do. Oh, stay away from the chat. Stay away from it. Don't you do it, Patrick. Straight down there. Look at that thing. What a time to be alive. All right, I'll talk to you all later on. Let's go. Peace to the Middle East. Tomorrow's Freshcast Friday, by the way. We'll see what happens. Hopefully get some better moves, some better action. Who knows? You never know. I never know. Nobody knows. That's just the story of the game. The game of the story. The story is the game. The game is a story. Let's go.